Today, I've decided to play Potion Explosion. It's a new day, new game, because I have attention span of a goldfish. So, played the tutorial, seemed pretty easy. So, put the bot on hard, because I don't know, easy game, easy life, right? Alright, I got some black and a red. I like that, I just need yellow now. Right? Yeah, his turn. What the fuck? Oh my god, he already has a potion? Holy shit. I don't know what one to do. This one has a 4 instead of a 3, so that's good. What does it do? Steal all the ingredients from one opponent's pool. Oh, look at that. Is this his pool? He has yellow. Pop that shit. Hell yeah, take it. Look at that. 2 potions in one go. This is gonna be easy. Dude, I'm whooping him right now. It's 7 to 1. Alright, he needs to calm down. This one seems good. Cause I get... Yeah, let's go here. Oh my god, yeah. Auto puts it in too. Oh my god, I even made another one, dude. I'm cruising for this. Dude, what? Did he just go from like 1 to 19? What? I don't know what just happened. Let's do this. Wait. Oh shit. Well, I kind of messed up. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I got some red. Oh yeah, I can do this potion. Look at that. We're cruising, dude. Wait, is this a power move? Let's go. I think this is a power move. Alright, hear me out. Use this. Pop it. Take this. Steal his ingredients. Oh wait, he doesn't have a yellow. Oh, shoot. Dude, it's fine. It's fine. How does he get so many in one turn? And I get 2. It literally just like new marbles spawn and it's perfect for him. Did he just gain another one that he just used? What is that? Why does he have a medal? What? I need yellow. Oh, okay. That worked. Don't know what I did, but it worked. Oh, dude, we're cranking out these potions. I'm not even worried. He uses the -2 thing a lot. Maybe I should have paid attention to the tutorial. Why did it not explode? I would have picked a yellow if I thought it was... Oh my god! Oh, this is a lot of yellow. Give me this. Let me just click right here and then I get 5 yellow. And a red, which I don't really need, but you know, 5 yellow. Holy shit, how many potions does he have? Why is he getting another medal? What? Alright, just pop. Give me them. Oh my god, we're cruising. Dude, don't call it a comeback. Whoa. I'm allergic to that bullshit. What the fuck is that? I am confused, but I do need the black. So give me that. The fuck? Yes, just... Oh my god, I got a medal. Dude, let's go. What does this do? Take up to 1 ingredient of each color from the bottom row. Dispense. Well, I need more than one ingredient. He only has red. All right, well, that really doesn't even help me. So I'm just gonna send it on back. All right, let me pick a potion. What the fuck? Why can I not pick another potion? Dude, chill. What the fuck? Dude, how did he get another medal? What the that's the end? What the hell? We're running that back, dude. There's no way I'm gonna lose this one. Alright, well maybe I might lose it if I get stuff like this. Ah, shit. I don't know what I need. Give me the red. Oh, of course, it sets him up perfectly. I don't understand when the game ends. Cool! No, keep going, dude. Keep going. Just do it. Oh, a potion? Yeah, fuck me, right? Oh, look at this. Look how many blues I'm gonna get. I need 2 blue. And I got 6. Dude, how do you get so many in one turn? You made another potion off of that? He made 2 potions off of it? Did he just make another one? Holy shit. You can place all ingredients in your pool. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Boom. 2 potions, 1 turn. Oh my god, money moves, baby. Oh. This is easy. Yeah, what are you gonna do with that? Holy shit. Why is there so many black? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Will you let me play the game? Would you let me play the game? Make this potion. What does this one do? Oh, it's the one. Oh, look at this. I can make the other potion. Ready? Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Pop this bad boy. I don't know. Just give me a random one. Give me this one. Boom. Let's go! 2 potions, one turn. But ready? Big brain. Alright. Looks stupid, but look. Now I can use this to then use this one. Right? Hop the top. Take another blue. And we made another potion. Oh my god. I'm a genius. Oh, and another medal. And I'm winning. Did I just win? I lost. But I lost in a good way. Alright, 3rd time's the charm, baby. Let's go. Oh, I didn't even want to go first. That's fine. No, that's cool. That's awesome. Actually, that's perfect. Yeah, no, you're good, dude. Don't worry. I got you. Fucking asshole. Yeah, look at that. I can do that too. How does that feel? Yeah, but it feels fucking great, dude. Yeah, no, fuck playing the game. Like, who wants to play this game? It's not like I fucking bought it. Oh, no, keep going. No, yeah, no, I believe in you, dude. Just keep going. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, how does that feel? 2 potions in 1 turn. Yeah, what are you going to use that for? What potion are you going to reuse? Are you going to use a take 2? Whoa, I'm scared, dude. That did nothing. What are you going to do? Shit. Alright, show me what you got, dude. You ain't got nothing. Yeah, what was that? Only 4? Oh, another potion. Cool. Too bad it's shit. You ain't got nothing. Oh, look at this. Power move. Oh, yeah. I didn't even need them. I just wanted to. Because, you know, I'm gonna win. This is the last time, and I swear to God, I'm beating this fuck. I don't want to talk about it.